Hello and welcome inside this Commodore 64. These are why wood screws were in here, and as you can see the plastic is pretty much gone. And if we go over to the corner, the plastic is pretty much gone. And the wood screws won't even take hold into that. They will not. Over here, this one is pretty much intact. So I'm just trying to think of what it is that I can do, at least in one of these, which are pretty terrible, to get something to be able to hold. I seem to remember at some point that toothpicks were sometimes helpful with this. Not sure if I have any. I will look around.